Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back with another video, and in today's video we will be featuring Amanda Hair. Big shout out to Amanda Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have a water wave 13x4 HD lace frontal. This is transparent lace with a pre-plucked hairline. This is in the 26 inch and it is 250 density. You can get this wig in a glueless 6x4 with a pre-cut lace, or you can get this in the 13x4. You have an option for 3 different densities, 150, 180, or 250, and you can get this from 14 inches all the way up to 36. This is a very full density 250. You have adjustable straps inside along with an elastic band, so it fits really secure. You do not have a full 13x4 parting space, but you do have that 13x4 lace hairline. So I noticed that this style looks really good in the flip over method. I feel like it's because of the curl texture or the wave texture, but it looks so good. So you can wear it flipped over, you could do a center part, or you could do a off center part to give that side part illusion. I think this hair looks best completely dry. So for the install, I will be adding water to the hair just to activate the waves. I did bleach the knots and I did additional tweezing before the install. But for the styling, I do use a little bit of product along with water just to get the curls to activate once again. But I have to tell you, this hair looks so good when it's dry. Put your product in there if you want to define your curls, but definitely wear this in the dry state. It looks so good. And the hair never disappoints when it comes to these curly, wavy textures. I have a playlist with them. Definitely check that out. Check out that playlist if you are a curly wig type of gal. But yeah, this was simple. I did add powder to this lace because the lace did look a little light. You can use lace tint, whatever it is you prefer, depending on your complexion. Definitely check all the links. Shout out Amanda Hair for sponsoring today's video. Also want to shout you out for watching another video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Watch me. Going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping all I used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink and we could burn something. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car. Come through, come through. Come through, come through, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do, so get your ass in the car, come through. Yeah. Last night I brought DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on, but who the fuck can focus with this working going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook up, they just wait on me to cook up, baby. I heat up the stove, you do the dishes, you know. Rap game, crack game, make that different, you know. Last album had it booming something vicious, you know. And you know I need you back in my life, girl. You know you got that thing that I like, girl. You got that thing for real. When I was on a mission to make it, who used to sleep on the floor with you when you lived in the basement? Who else got all the things you need at 4 a.m. when it's late? I always woke you up a drink and let you burn something. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got that to do. ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yep. Tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you all. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you all. From a distance, I think you should rule out commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to get even. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. They keep falling